there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I have just a small tutorial showing you how I tie this magic knot. You can see that this knot is nice and tight. I'm pulling that really strongly there. So this is an ideal way of tying two balls of yarn together of the same colour. You have no ends here to sew in, and this is nice and secure. Today I'm going to be showing you using different colours. So what I'm actually doing at the moment, because I am stash busting, I'm making this fabulous little stash busting ball of yarn. You can see where the little knots are, and I'm using up all of my ends by using this magic knot, and I've started a stash busting granny square, so you can see it gives a nice random look to the colour changes. So what I'm going to do, so I have no waste, I'm going to use all my ends, tie them all together, then I've hand wound this little ball here, and I'm going to be making this lovely stash busting project. So I've got no wasteful yarn going into landfill, so I'm going to show you using these two strands here. So we have our two pieces of yarn, and what we're going to do now is loop our pink around our blue here. Okay, and then I literally am just going to tie a knot using the pink. So it's just a normal knot, and then I am going to pull this as tight as I possibly can with this tail end aiming this way. So now at this end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop the blue around the pink. So literally I'm just going to go around the pink, and then I'm going to tie another knot exactly the same as before with the blue, and I'm going to tighten that as, oh sorry, I'm wobbling you, tighten that as much as I can. Okay, notice that my little tails are facing away in opposite directions. I'm going to grab hold of my pink and blue working yarn, and then I'm just going to give that a pull, and then when we get that's knotted, pull tight, 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 tight as you possibly can. Now that knot is not going to come undone, and then what we're going to do is just snip these ends off. So just take your scissors. Now be careful not to snip the knot. But what I like to do is go as close up to it as I possibly can. Snip that little end off, and do the same with the blue. Okay, and there you go. That is very, very secure, and you have your magic knot. I do hope that you found that technique useful to know. If you did, then please do give me a thumbs up down below, leave some comments, and I will see you here next time. Bye bye for now.